Today in Richard Eats His Yard, I'm making sugar-free Marionberry jam. The first step is to eat all the berries you've harvested the week before, and then you return to the bramble patch for more. Thanks to the aggressive growth and the thorns, the best strategy is to only gather the easiest berries. Then, once you've collected all the easy berries, you have to make the other vines easy to collect from. I prefer an electric lawnmower over gasoline. Without an engine on the mower, it's much easier to lift and transport. Harvesting directly into a colander or salad spinner lets you wash your harvest without transferring into yet another container. And with a salad spinner, you have the added bonus of the tub in order to rinse the berries in perfectly. Test to verify that the berries fit into your pot. Ignore any of the results from your testing if they suggest that you actually need a bigger pot. Most jam recipes include sugar as a preservative. This jam will be refrigerated and really be eaten within a few weeks, so I will use nothing except for berries. I'll make up for the lack of sugar in my berry jam by drinking a Coca-Cola later. Crush the berries as politely as possible with a spoon so they fit into your cooking vessel. Bring the pot up to about a simmer, a little bit less. If you start to boil, it can boil over, and purple berry juice stains almost anything. While the berries cook, go ahead and watch some of your favorite YouTube videos, specifically ones produced by me. You probably will need to re-watch them 3 or 4 or a dozen times because we're going to be cooking for about an hour. After that hour, you should be really bored with stirring constantly. Now, draw a spoon through the jam and start to convince yourself that it looks like what a jam should be. And once you've convinced yourself it's thick enough, you're done. Apply jam to toast liberally. Fancy butter helps, but I prefer cream cheese with my toast and jam. If you're indecisive about your jam pairing, you can get fancy and